Oh, dear friends, I'm so happy now. Look what I received today. I am Antonio from Portugal, and I have received this beautiful box. Imagine what is that? It's the book by Russell Brunson, my dear friend. I'm so happy. Expert Secrets. I'm going to open this. Okay. Oh, I am. It's so amazing. I have no words to express. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, I have here the Secrets Trilogy. Okay, but this is really amazing. I'm so happy and grateful, Russell Brunson, my friend. You are extraordinary person. I know you only online videos, and I think you are a great person. You are a great human being. Um, the book, it's really unbelievable. Expert Secrets. I'm going to open somewhere, and I can read here in the front page the underground playbook for converting your online visitors into lifelong customers, Russell Brunson. I'm going to open here in perhaps, let's see, the can be the introduction, okay? And I'm going to read a little bit. Let's see what I can read at this moment. This is, I know this is interesting. I'm going to read. I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of persuasion, story selling, building a tribe, become a leader, and how to communicate with the people who enter into your funnels. If I do my job right, you are no longer going to look at your business as a product or a service or even an offer, but instead you look at it as a movement of people you've been called to serve. This is this is a great statement, okay? This is a great statement. Um, as you become an expert, you'll find yourself moving away from just selling a product or a service to creating offers and finally to leading a movement. Great statement. And the backside, okay, of the book, I'm going to pick here some statements. Uh, Expert secrets is the fire. This is burning. Okay, I'm burning to read this book. This is amazing. Uh, First one, expert secrets will help you find your voice and give you the confidence to become a leader. Okay, very good. The next expert secrets will show you how to build a movement of people whose lives you can change. This is really amazing. That's what we need. It's to give results to change lives. Okay, and I think that's what Russell Brunson can and is doing is. With his company at this moment. Expert Secrets will teach you how to make this calling a career. Okay, I'm going to begin to read the book, and it's very interesting. And I hope that Russell has more and more success is in his life, his company, in personal life, to his kids and wife, and to whole team of ClickFunnels, the great success, and I am so happy and grateful for to have this great book with me. Okay, thank you, and I hope I can put this message uh, to my business and to my work.